Hey guys, I'm Ash with Geotrek. We're in Boulder, Colorado, showing you how easy it is to cook a good meal in your Geotrek camper van. Butter in your toast. Bada bing, bada boom. Looking good, looking good. So today we're gonna be making an avocado heirloom grilled cheese sandwich, which is a perfect lunch snack. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our sink top back. We're gonna drop down our cutting board, and we're gonna get to cutting our veggies. Now we're gonna cut our avocados. Nice safe slice. I recommend using a spoon to dig it out, not a knife. Now that we have the veggies cut, we're just gonna toss everything in our trash can that lives in our awesome galley cabinet. And then we're gonna get going, butter in our bread and throwing this baby on here. Heating up on our induction, and now we're just gonna add some cheese in our heirloom tomato and avocado. This is the best part about having a camper van, is literally you can just pull over anywhere and make a hot lunch. Yes. It's as easy as that. Time for our first bite. Thanks for tuning in. It's delicious.